Welcome to this guide on how to buy SecureKey tokens on the Solana blockchain. First, you'll need a Solana-compatible wallet. We recommend either Phantom or Solflare. Both are secure and easy to use. Download either wallet from their official websites or app stores. Be careful to avoid fake apps and phishing websites. Creating a new wallet is simple. First, follow the app instructions to create a new wallet. Next, securely save your recovery phrase. This is critical. Never share these words with anyone. Remember, your recovery phrase is the only way to restore your wallet if you lose access. Never store it digitally or share it with anyone. Next, you'll need to fund your wallet with SOL. Purchase SOL from exchanges like Coinbase or Binance, then withdraw it to your Solana wallet address. First, buy SOL on your preferred exchange. Then, copy your wallet address from Phantom or Solflare. Withdraw the SOL to this address, and the transfer should complete in under a minute. Here are some tips for success. Start with a small test transaction. Always double-check wallet addresses before confirming, and keep some extra SOL for transaction fees when you swap for SecureKey tokens. Once your wallet is set up and funded with SOL, you'll be ready for the next step, swapping SOL for SecureKey tokens. Now that your wallet is funded with SOL, it's time to swap for SecureKey tokens. You'll need to visit a decentralized exchange like Raydium or Jupiter. Connect your Solana wallet by clicking the Connect Wallet button and selecting your wallet provider. For the swap, ensure you're exchanging SOL for SecureKey or SKS. It's crucial to verify the correct contract address to avoid scams. Enter the amount of SOL you want to swap. The interface will show you how many SecureKey tokens you'll receive based on the current exchange rate. Review all transaction details, including fees. When you're ready, click the Swap button to confirm the transaction. Once the transaction is complete, your SecureKey tokens will appear in your wallet. Congratulations, you now own SecureKey tokens. You've successfully swapped SOL for SecureKey tokens. Remember to always verify token addresses when making swaps to protect yourself from scams.